Hi everybody. I wanted to give a little bit of a helper video for the homework 7 for those who haven't submitted yet. Um, I I'm just like you guys. I have similar challenges when I need to write a query, and you're just getting into this field, so it's going to be even more daunting to you. But I have one simple rule when I grab data, and that is to select what you want from where you want it, how you want it. 3 steps. I do this all the time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my joins dump and create the table here. And I'll get you started with the very first one. So this is joins.dump. I'm going to open it with my Sublime Text. And I'm going to go ahead and just copy and paste and create I've been using this database recently, so I'm going to go ahead and just make the tables inside here. I'm opening up my SQL window, and we're going to go ahead and create it. So perfect. Now I can go back to this database, and one thing I would do is I would open up one tab and then 2 tabs, because these are the only values that we're dealing with. Okay, we've got 2 tables, and I'm actually going to make them separate. So literally I'm going to just look at these side by side. Okay, so when I look at this, I see a product ID and a customer ID. It's second normal form. I don't see, let me make sure that this should be the same. There we go. So I see this connection here. Okay, so what I propose is that you always get what you want from where you want it, how you want it. So the first question here is, who ordered the printer with just a where statement? So I am going to go ahead and get you started here. So is this a join? Well, it's not, doesn't use the word joins in it, but we have to call both tables to get the data we want. We want to know who ordered the printer. So let's get what we want. So we're going to select the name from the table called joins customers. Okay, get what you want. So this would be joins underscore customers dot name. Get what you want. Now, from where do we want this? From, we have to call both tables because they have information. Joins customers and joins orders. Okay, and then how you want it. Where the joins underscore customers dot customer ID, it's an underscore ID, you gotta watch that, underscore ID equals the joins underscore orders dot customer ID. So I'm going to put this directly down below because I'm writing this only the way I can understand it myself. So I'm not the sharpest tool in the drawer. So I need to visually see things. To be truthful with you, I often print these table structures with data and I put them on my desk. And that helps me write queries a little bit easier. So I'm getting what I want from where I want it, only where this criteria matches, and also the joins orders dot product happens to be equal to the printer. So when we think about this, we're getting what we want, the name from the joins customers table, so it's table dot field name, from these 2 tables, only where this table's field of customer ID is equal to joins customer ID. So it would be John Smith, it looks like, and the joins ordered product equals printer. So what I do is I have that there, I'm going to save it, but I'm also going to copy it, and then I'm going to throw it right in the SQL window. I need immediate satisfaction on this thing. So basically, I'll just save that there. I need to make sure that all this is saved. So I'm going to select all, copy, and then paste inside here. And when I click go, hopefully I get what I want. But occasionally you get something like that. And what does that mean? Well, it's joins orders, not joins order. So I made a mistake there. But at least my SQL window is telling me. And this query is not very complicated, but at first, see that now I get John Smith, so that's perfect. We know that John Smith ordered the printer. So once again, I did select what I want from where I want it, how I want it. And these are the two criteria. So that is without the join. But when you join a table, you can simply replace where with on. So you can join one table, you get what you want, and you join the two tables where the IDs are the same, and well, actually where is not used, it's the on. So that's how you can start, but just start looking at the joins in the text and the joins that I've given you to see how to convert a normal where statement into joins. Because you're basically joining it on the point where these things are equal to each other. So you'd still get the same criteria. It would just have, your selection from a table on, inner join the other table on. On is the where, and then you join the two tables. So left and right depends on who you call first, and null sets from the presentation last week. But don't overcomplicate it. Start with a where. Start with this one. Learn this number one. And then replace the where with an on by joining the tables before. So select customer's name from joins customers, join, inner join, joins orders, on, joins customers, dot customer ID equals joins order dot customer ID, and joins orders dot product equals printer. Also, if you guys need extensions, just email me. I'm open to it. Whatever helps you learn best, I am going to support. Okay, so that's a little help with the homework and number one.